Microsoft's DirectX Raytracing, or DXR for short, is the tech behind most ray-traced graphics you see nowadays, which we first got a glimpse of all the way back with the RTX 20 series, and now it is getting a huge upgrade that just means more ray-tracing performance for you. Given how at GDC, not to be confused with Nvidia's GTC, Microsoft announced DXR version 1.2, which promises two big improvements to the tech that should see big improvements to ray tracing performance without you even having to swap out your graphics card. One of which is the introduction of Opacity micromaps, which Microsoft says will increase performance by as much as 2.3 times in path traced games. So think of stuff like the path trace mode in Cyberpunk 2077, or things like Indiana Jones, and that game desperately needs this, given how turning on path tracing makes it unplayable on anything less than RTX 5090. Then there's also shader execution reordering, which is something we've had for a while and Nvidia have implemented in collaboration with some games, like again Cyberpunk 2077 or that Portal RTX demo, but now it's being brought to way more games, and that in itself promises a 2x improvement as well. Now that all sounds pretty good, but you know me, it wouldn't be an Runner video if I didn't do something to ruin the fun. And of course, the big elephant in the room here is the fact that the developers actually had to start implementing all of this. So don't expect the performance to just skyrocket overnight. Now keep in mind that a lot of the usual suspects, the kind of companies Nvidia usually works with to promote their tech, like say CD Projekt Red with Cyberpunk, they're probably gonna get on this pretty soon. So I can expect Nvidia, AMD, and maybe even Intel to invest heavily to get games up and running with this as soon as possible to try and sell their own hardware. But what do you think about all of this? Well, let me know down in the comments below. Maybe check out our Patreon as well, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way. Plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ronyak, Badash Roka, Patrick Harrison, Nola Pseudonym, Mexum, Nashik Ulcroft, and Level Up. But anyway, that's all it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.